Alright guys, and welcome to this video. So on this video guys, quickly we are going to be talking about the IdOS KYC. Alright, so a few hours ago they rolled out the KYC, and now it's time for you to actually verify your account ahead of the listing that is coming very soon. All right, so make sure you watch the video to the end. We are going to be talking about the KYC and how you can be able to pass the IdOS KYC. But before that guys, let's quickly talk about the distribution plan and the tokenomics and token allocation of the IdOS Airdrop. All right, so before we go in detail guys, remember we still give out token to our video viewers. So if you're watching a video right now from any part of the world, you can actually get token from our token giveaway, which all you need to do to get that is very simple. Just go ahead, look below the video you're watching right now. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on this button right here to actually subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on this bell icon that will be appearing, select all, so that whenever I post new video you will get to know about it. Then go ahead right now, you are going to be seeing this like button. Click on the like to give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you share the video to your family and friends anywhere so that they can also partake on this. Finally, drop an interesting comment right there on the comment section, because from the comment section is where we actually pick our winner. So going back to the main business of the day, before we talk about the IdOS KYC, let's quickly talk about the token allocation, distribution plan, and of course the tokenomics in general. So when I come over here to the X account of the IdOS, you can see over here that on the 29th of October they actually dropped the tokenomics right here, which they actually tagged introducing the IdOS token allocation and distribution. Okay, so right now when I open up this tweet, you can see there is a quick summary of the whole thing right here. They actually brought out about you can see this clearly right here. You can see they actually brought out 41.3% of the IdOS token supply for the community. All right, so out of the whole total supply, the 4.3% of 41.3% of the whole total supply is for the community, and this actually comprises of staking reward, community sales, the community reserve, and user incentive, which is basically the airdrop, such as ongoing InfoFi and IdOS app campaign. So over here, this is how it is going to be divided. You can see the community is going to be getting obviously 41.3%, and this comprises of so many things which I just listed out right here. Okay, and when you look over, you can see the listing and liquidity reserve is of course 9.5%, and the treasury is going to be comprising of 12.2%, and the VC and angels is going to be getting 8.1%. Then consortium is for who has 10.4%. then builder partners get 7.6%. so generally this totals up to 100%. Okay, so this is basically all you need to know right now as regards how the IdOS token is going to be distributed, and of course how it is allocated to different sectors. Okay, so right now let's go back to the main business of the day, which is of course the KYC. All right, so you can go ahead and read all this off for yourself if you want to, but you have known the most important part. So coming back right here to the IdOS website, or basically the app campaign page, so over you can see you need to make sure that you have connected your wallet, all right, and you have also verified your wallet, which is very simple. Basically you can see I have only 334 points right here, and when you look over here, to be able to get points, you refer people to get points, and also you complete certain tasks which include checking in daily, and of course some other things like getting to complete this KYC that I'm about to complete right now, which is going to be getting us 100 points. And of course right here, adding your wallet and also earn you points. So I've tried so many times to add this XRPL wallet, but I was not able to succeed on doing that. So if you have been able to add the wallet, let me know how you were able to add the wallet, so that can also take the same step and add my own XRPL. So I've added my near wallet, but I couldn't add the XRPL wallet. So right now we are going to be talking about the complete how to complete the KYC. So another thing that I needed to do right now, if you're actually farming the IdOS airdrop, is to go ahead and link your Twitter, so that whatever you post about IdOS on Twitter is going to be giving you some percentage of airdrop. Okay, so over here right now you can see what we have right here. To be able to complete your KYC, what you need to do is very simple. Just click over here on IdOS not a bank. Once you click on it, you are going to be seeing this type of message. IdOS not a bank is the gateway to stable economy. Verify once, transact everywhere. So right now, completing this KYC is not only going to be earning you this IdOS Airdrop, but it's also going to be a pathway to so many other platforms. So because they are not going to be needing you to do KYC on all those platforms, they are going to be using your data from this IdOS to actually verify you also on that other platform. So let's go straight to the business of the day, which is the KYC. I will click on continue right now. So it's going to be popping up this message for you. I don't know why it is not showing in full right here. So but basically they're going to be telling you that you should get your credentials ready. So click over here on get your KYC credentials ready down right here. So once click on it, just allow it to load completely. And right now they are going to be asking for your some of your information that are going to be required to count you as a verified user. Okay, and right here I'm getting an error message. Okay, server IP address could not be found. So I guess I just have to try again. I'll go ahead and reload the page once again. Okay, and finally here we are. You can see it says KYC verification. To get started, you need to complete identity verification and store a KYC credential in your IdOS profile. Your KYC help you access third-party service within IdOS not a bank, and join upcoming IdOS contribution events. By continuing, you agree to user agreements and confirm you read the privacy policy and transparent documents. By clicking here, you agree to the privacy policy and give your explicit consent to the process of the biometric data as they explained. So I will click on this checkbox right here. Okay, and then I will click on the button below. Bear with me, I'm actually having a hard time right here due to my screen. And after that, guys, you can see when you click on continue, you can see we need some information to help you confirm to help us confirm your identity. This is basically your ID card, I suggest. So you click on begin verification right now. So over here they're going to be asking for your email address. Simply go ahead and type in your email address right there. You click on continue. Okay, and after that, guys, they are going to be sending a 5-digit confirmation code to the email address that you provided. Let's go to my email and get the code. Right now I've just copied the code right now, so I will come over here, then I'm gonna have to paste the code and click on continue. Okay, by clicking on continue, I just need to give it a little time to load up, and over here you need to select your country. I will click on this, then I'm gonna have to search for my country, which is of course Nigeria. Okay, so bear with me. Okay, so here we are right here. Okay, we are almost there. Okay, this is it, Nigeria right here, and then I will click on continue. Then from here right now you need to choose the type of ID that you have. You can either use your passport, your national ID, or voter ID. So in this case I'm going to be using my voter ID, right? So I'll click on vote ID. So over here I'm going to be prompted to actually snap it on the front and also on the back. So I can also upload the image if I already have it on my gallery. So I'll just upload snap it immediately, then I will continue. All right, so after uploading your both the front and the back of your voter ID or any type of ID that you provided, then you are going to be seeing this type of write up saying please wait as we process your upload. This may take a few seconds, just give it a time to load up. Okay, and immediately after that I got this message saying you have 3 attempts to complete your proof of address. After that, we will automatically issue an ID basic credential without your proof of address. This credential would give you access to the not a bank, but will let you explore new feature of the app. So I don't know if this was successful or not, but I guess I just have to click on continue. Okay, on this proof of address you can see please take a clear photo of your most recent document that shows your name, address, and the document date. Acceptable documents include utility bill, bank statement, credit card statement. I mean, this is going so deep. All right, so if you can be able to do this, then I think it's a very nice thing. They are requesting for your utility bill, maybe your NEPA bill or your residential, any type of your residential bill. They are going to be using it for more for that, for that the verification. So I guess I just have to upload, then I'll be good to go from there. And once you are done submitting it, then you are going to be getting this message. So I just have to click on submit right now. And over here, the same process, they are going to be process your documents and see how it goes. From there, you are going to be good to go. Okay, so over here right now, you can see I think the verification failed on my own side, and that is basically the because the utility bill that I actually uploaded is the one that I got long time ago. So you can go ahead and use your most recent utility bill and you are going to be succeeding. So right now, you can see, or you can skip proof of address and continue with a KYC basic credential. You will not be able to. So if you can pass this process, it is a very nice thing for you, as it is going to be helping you even in the future, as long as you keep interacting with some of the projects connected with this IdOS. So I'm going to be stopping here right now. Maybe later I'm going to be getting maybe a bank statement. I'm going to be using it to verify this properly. But basically, this is all you need to know right now. So I'm going to be clicking on continue right now. And when you skip that process, then over here you are going to be required to verify your face. I mean, that is facial verification. So right now you have to click on get started. Okay, you click on get started right now. So right now it is going to be capturing my face. Okay, as you can see it right now. Okay, look directly on the camera. Yeah, I hope that actually works. Just you can see it is verifying. Just allow it to load up completely. Okay, right now you can see you are going to be getting this message saying congratulations, you are done, thanks for verifying your identity. I will click on continue right now. So I actually skipped that part where they say we should submit our utility bill. So I don't know if I'm going to have the opportunity to actually add it later. So you should be careful when you get to that part. Okay, okay, where are they taking us right now? Just bear with me. Okay, so right now verifying this, I'll click on connect. Okay, let's see what we are going to have right here. Okay, create or log in with your IdOS profile to agree to terms and conditions. So I guess by just signing that with my account, I think I just logged into my profile right now. Okay, I'll go to my account and log in again. I have to confirm it. All right, so these are the processes that you may go through while trying it at your own end. Okay, I will click on confirm one more time. Okay, all right. Okay, another one. This is the third time. This is basically how you pass your KYC on the IdOS Airdrop hunt that we are on. So let me now sign this right now. Okay, we are good to go right now, I think. All right, everything is done, and let's see, KYC process completed, waiting for a response. You can see you are all set. IdOS network, not a bank, is coming soon. So right now you can view your credential. I think view credential. Okay, and basically you can see these are the ones that I've actually passed. So when I click on IdOS not a bank, you can see, I think, okay, more about KYC. You can access IdOS not a bank, and okay, I think we are done. We are now done completing our KYC. So this is basically all you need to know right now and all you need to do. Okay, so when I come over here to my points, okay, so I guess I'm gonna have to click on this complete KYC. I will click on to do right now. Let me see what I'm gonna have right here. Okay, complete quest. I think I've completed this right now, and right now I'm going to be getting 100 points. All right, so you can see it right now. We are done with it, and you can see you earn 100 points, and you can see, oh my god, okay, in total I've gotten 500 points plus. All right, so this is what you need to know right now as regards the IdOS Airdrop. So go ahead right now, try it at your own end. Let me know on the comment section if you were able to succeed or not. All right, so thank you for watching, and I'll be talking to you on the next video. dropping very soon.